Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how do Snapchat streak work. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So you simply need to open the Snapchat support page. So on the support page, you can see that Snapchat streaks tracks how many days in a row you and your friend have sent snap to each other. Keeping up a Snapchat streak give you extra points for your Snapchat score. Chat messages and snaps sent to group chat doesn't count towards a Snapchat streak. So you can simply see this type of fire icon in the conversation. So it means that you and your friend are continuously sending streaks to each other on Snapchat for 3 days or more. And you can see icon here, but if you see a timer icon here, so it means that less time is remaining, so you need to send streaks to maintain the sign of fire icon here, like this that I showed you. So this is the uh, you can see that. So this is the whole detail about the Snapchat streak. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.